We are driving through the desert in California. Byron Tyrone and Turtle at it again. But this little trip is a lot different than before. This one is in the desert. Take a look at this. Look at this shit. Welcome to the desert. Oh, that place, see that place over there with all the green inside? That's all fake. None of that shit is natural. Out here, there's nothing. That's what it should be looking like. All that waterways, you know, they're in a drought. They gotta have that. Yep. Look down here. It's all nothing. Not desert.
Tumbleweed.
There's desert. Whole lot of desert. Palm trees. Palm trees aren't even native to California. You know, they're like the state's official tree. It's not even a real native plant. They're imported. So, here we are, first stop. After we started filming, that is. We're at the Joshua Tree National Park. Huge desert outcropping. If you play Grand Theft Auto, if you play Grand Theft Auto, then this is Trevor territory. If you don't know who Trevor is, then you don't play Grand Theft Auto. But this, you know, first time in the desert. I love it. I feel like Jim Morrison going out and taking some friggin' mescaline in the desert. Friggin' awesome.
Hey, that'd be all right.
And take a little walk, actually get into the desert and off the road. You can see some of this wildlife. Like these trees here, these friggin' cactus trees.
Hey, go show one of them trees.
Yeah, this cactus tree, dude. These things are all over the place, dude. They're freaking crazy. They got these orange flowers on them. Come down, and these crazy trees in the desert. They got these spikes on them too. These crazy ass spikes. This spike is as long as my fingernail.
What's the purpose?
Byron's shoe. Check it out.
Look at this.
I mean, look at that. There's a fucking... Is that a balloon? No, it's a flower.
It's a flower.
Okay.
The only moisture you see.
Wow. It's freaking weed. Look at this one, man, with all the purple. And that thing. Crazy flowers on it. Look at this shrubbery with all these purple little flowers. Everything's so dry, brittle out here. They're not on the trees, they're on the ground. Trophy little climb trees. Look at it. Probably one lives in here though.
Rattlesnake?
Probably a scorpion. Or a spider.
Wow, this is trippy.
Yeah. Cool. This is crazy. I like it here. I'm glad I came here. Take a walk over here real quick. Take a look at some of these rocks. Look at this flower. Rocks out here. This one looks like it was almost cut out. Freaking awesome. Look at this. There's a stream. this, man. I'm standing in the middle of a stream here. I'm not dry as a bone, though. Yeah. Cool.